It has a McNeil tunnel
I
with
guess I gotta go this way. Ooh. There we go.
with a buffet with a motor.
No, I guess I'm going the wrong way. They got. I don't know how you get in here.
There was a.
There was a what?
You have to turn.
Turn that way? I turned too soon?
Yeah, like.
I have to go around this way?
Yeah.
Roll this way for quality H2O. Thank you, little raindrop person.
They have ice.
Yeah, they do have ice. Okay, pay stations.
Looks like they use DRB pay stations with LPR.
Okay.
License plate recognition.
Oh, okay. Let me get some money out.
Which one are we going to? H2O quality or high quality?
We're going high quality. I mean, we're here. We might as well go big or just go on home, right?
I don't think we'll be able to go on home because we'll have to back out of here.
Oh, you think I couldn't do it?
What?
I got a backup camera.
I'm just...
I know.
That's the sound of the little air guns that they're using.
Yeah.
Looks like they use either AutoVac or a VacuTech system. I don't know. The arches are, they all look alike, so I don't even know.
I don't either.
But it's okay. I hope everything's okay up here, because
I think maybe they were just asking questions about
the car wash.
the car washes and stuff. Yeah.
If we ever get a car wash, once I upload this video, you guys can skip ahead to the actual car wash part, which I don't know what number it would be. Oh, they might be signing up for a wash club.
Right? It could be taking a while because of that.
Yeah.
That's okay. I got snacks.
Would be nice if they had the second lane open.
I know, right?
Because, I mean, Because I mean, all of their pay stations are like cashier desks. They're not.
Maybe they didn't have enough people today. Since it's a rainy day, maybe they didn't think they were going to have so many people. So they don't have somebody else to run the other one.
Yeah.
But
there we go.
Thanks to Uncle Donald and Gina, I have car snacks.
Oh yeah. See, the person is signing for a wash club.
That's fantastic. Good for her. I'm a big fan of car wash clubs. Find your favorite one and sign up for the wash club.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. So you've been here before?
No, I'm from out of town.
So you never been here?
No.
Like you've been here once? Okay.
I have?
Or maybe like license plate. I don't know.
My license plate been here?
No, you're good. No, don't worry about it. So all right. So so basically we have three. We have good, better, best up here.
Best.
And top yellow's gonna be the best.
Best.
She's from out of town, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Where you from?
Tennessee.
Tennessee. Oh, what part?
Just outside of Nashville.
Outside Nashville?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I went to Tufton College.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. So I was in Tennessee for 4 years, all over Tennessee.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We live in Smyrna, just
Smyrna?
outside near Murfreesboro.
Yeah, I drove through there a couple times.
Yeah.
Yeah, so Tennessee is like my second home.
Well, good.
Yeah, Nashville, all that.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, I've been there, yeah.
Thank you. Trying to tell me my license plate been here. No, it ain't. I know. I always go too far left.
I don't know if he was just joking or if he was, or if the license plate reader actually thought that.
I don't know, but I hate it when this car rolls backwards like that. Y'all kick that rocker thing on. You're making me dizzy.
You mean the conveyor?
Yeah. What's it called?
The rollers?
Rollers. I thought it was called a rocker or something.
No, well, I mean, with this type of conveyor, you have to wait for a second because the roller is just a controller. I mean, because the rollers take a while, but if it was a belt conveyor, you would already be going.
I do prefer the belt conveyor.
McNeil with a mix of the Motor City washcloths.
I love it. The rainbow.
Yeah.
The rainbow conditioner or whatever it's called.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Are we stuck? Oh, there we go.
I noticed something weird was happening. I just didn't know what it was.
I don't know. I like this top brush too.
Yeah. Alright, everybody, that was the h2o car wash in Texas.